Hey, what's going on guys? I'm back for another video, and in today's video what I'm showing you guys how to build is this combination lock door. So guys, let's get right into it. So guys, everything you need is in my hotbar. You need some blocks of your choice, an iron door, few blocks of iron, some redstone torches, and some levers. So guys, let's get into it. So first off, what we want to do is build a door frame, and once you've done that, you're going to place your iron door right there. Then you're going to place 6 blocks of iron like that, build over it with your blocks of choice, and then build a wall there. Come on the inside of your build, and then this is where you want to make a combination. I like to do two redstone torches there and one there. Then once you've set up your combination, if you've got any at the top, you do this, and then put your redstone there and there. Then bring it down, then bring it down one. Then break that, bring it down one more, bring it down one more, then break the blocks until you get to there, then place redstone torch there, break down one more, and place your redstone going into that block. That'll then close it. Then come back around, and then place all 6 of your levers there, so when you flick those 2 and that one down, your door will open up. Now, if you want to hide this, which is a really simple thing to do, get slabs of your choice. I'm going to go with stone brick because it matches the blocks I used to hide it. Get your stone brick slabs and do this. And then you can get your brick, do this. And with this block here, make sure it is the correct block. You can put a lever there and you can close your door behind you. So guys, that's how you may make a combination lock in Minecraft. So guys, thank you for watching today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me.